I'm really, really happy. I'm going to be talking to that guy right there because obviously I listen to the music, I see his videos. Today's my first time meeting him, so it's a really, really exciting moment for me. But anyways, it's a new year. I'm happy everyone is safe and healthy. Watching right now, there's so much I can say, but we do have to get to this interview, and I'm wishing you guys nothing but the best, for the year, and let's stay disciplined. As much as we're wishing for all these things, we have to put certain things, in place, in action before we can actually bring them into fruition. So before we get to more of that, send me messages, MX24 TV, every single platform, the hashtag's MXLIVE. Quick commercial break, as we do every single time. Then we get into the interview. Stay tuned in. And just like that, we're back. MX24 TV, every single platform. The hashtag is MXLIVE. Please stay as interactive as possible. If there's any suggestions, questions, remarks, let us know. Send us DMs. I always say we absolutely do not mind. Stalk us as much as possible on social media, of course. But I have Jbee in the house. How you doing, man?
Good, man.
Well, I'm a fan. How do you feel when you meet fans? Like when you, we're going to get to the girls. Now that's one thing. But when you meet people like genuinely love the music, right? Who like vibe with you, how does that make you feel?
It makes me feel appreciated. It makes me feel like I understand that people actually like my music and actually like me as a person. I just feel like I'm a normal person. So when I meet people and they're like, damn, I love your music, it's like it's a bit.
I'm sure there's a lot of surprise there.
Yeah, sometimes it's a bit overwhelming. I'm like, damn, how do you what?
How'd you manage the girls though? Because the reason why I'm asking that, and the reason I'm starting with this, is like, my producer, she's super in love with you. Like, she's shouting in my ear right now. I'm tired, bro.
No, it's the thing where it's the same, really. Like, it's just like, I guess, like, boys, men and boys, like, show love their way, and then females show love in a different way, so.
But that's the thing, though, because, like, with fame, it's a very tricky thing, right? Because we're in this space where, we're excited, we appreciate it, we're going out, but we have to be very careful and manage the fame.
100%.
How do you stay grounded? Certain people, have God in their lives, which I think is very, very important. Some people have family, friends, a team. How does Jbee stay grounded and focused? How do you not lose sight of where you're going?
I say main thing because obviously my mom's my manager, so like.
Oh.
Yeah,
hello.
she's obviously here. She's
in the background. Oh, hello.
But yeah, she's my manager, so like, and also like people that help her, like family members as well. So yeah, it's just good to have those kind of people around in it to keep me grounded. Like, it's not like people from outside that are like, we should do this, we should go and do this, but no, it's just it's just really family oriented.
How do you guys deal with disagreements though? Because my mom never agrees with me, so I don't know.
No, we disagree a lot. It's the truth, innit? We disagree a lot, but I guess at the end of the day,
that's cool. That's really, really cool. Let's take it back, right? The music. How did it start? Because I'm sure a conversation came up with family, about wanting to pursue this. And one thing I say is a lot, this part of the world, if you say you want to get into entertainment and all these things, like...
It's not the easiest conversation.
It's not the easiest conversation, right? How did that come about?
No, obviously, at first, she wasn't too fond of me doing it.
Okay.
Because obviously, like, the stigma behind it, especially coming from London as well, like, the stigma behind it, like, being I guess, on the roads and etc. So she wasn't too fond of me doing it, but I started working closely with a family friend, Guilty Beats. So he like kind of took me under his arm, and he like, I just like started making music with him, innit? And then she really like, she kind of saw like the potential. She like, okay, maybe because he has this like figure here that he can like kind of follow, like it'll be okay for him to do it.
Yeah, Guilty's a cool guy. That's but was it always music though? Was it always that, or
it's not always been like music, but I've always had like interest in music, like entertainment, really, like acting, modeling. But obviously, I went through school to do aerospace engineering. Like I went to go to uni. To do
bro, you're smart too.
So a little bit.
Win-win.
A little bit. But yeah, I went to do aerospace, so yeah, it would have been that if it wasn't music, I guess.
Yeah. And okay, so how many years in music professionally now?
Professionally, I don't know, because I'd say, like, before my mum approved of it, like, I was, like, kind of doing it in school, so, but I say seriously now, maybe, like, 4 years, I think. Yeah, maybe, like, 4 years.
Okay. Now, I ask that because it's, like, your rise, right, has been very, like sharp.
Yeah, 100%.
Super, right?
100%.
Meteoric, if you might say. What do you think you as an artist, right, are doing differently? When it comes to the kind of music you put out, because obviously that sound is a growing sound. We look at people like Skepta, right, and all these other people. Look at the Nigerian influence, and also the fact that your music has an influence on Ghana and Nigeria, right, and how we're gravitating towards it. Again, it's a very exciting market. It's very crazy, very intense, right?
Yeah.
Everyone is always releasing stuff. How is Jbee standing out, would you say?
I guess like with my music, I'm like really like, my fans can relate to it. Like everything I'm saying, like is relatable. It's a normal person kind of like thing. Like it's not like I'm talking about, oh, I've got this car here, I've got this. You know what I'm trying to say?
It's gonna come.
Yeah,
though.
it's gonna come, of course. But
Right?
it's like it's more or less like relatable for people to actually like, they can feel it. So like when they're listening to it, they're residing with the words and etc. So yeah, I feel like that's what I kind of do differently. A lot of artists do it, but I guess the way I do it is authentic and people.
Okay. So I'm assuming it's right to your environment influence.
Who
you are as a person. Because I saw your social medias, right? It's Hood Star. Jbee. Right? And I see that and I'm like, is that what you're representing? You know, the struggle of the young man. You know, is that what you're pushing? Is that the people you're speaking for?
Yeah, 100%. Like it's like, because as I said, like I'm a normal person from like not the best area, but like I'm trying to strive to become like the best version of myself, and so I feel like that's what a lot of people reside with as well. Like they're not from the best area, they've not had the best like come up. So it's like I feel like that's why a lot of the fans really like mess with me.
Do you feel like there's a lot of responsibility there though? Because again, like I'm sure you speak for people you don't even know you speak for. They're like, listen to me, like, he's young, you know, he's talented, he's speaking his truth in his music. He's representing us. And they look up to this guy who's a young guy.
100%.
Right? You have older people older than you.
Even older,
Right? They want to be like you.
It's crazy.
How do you deal with that responsibility?
It is a big responsibility to have, but it's just like I just be myself, like just be me, like don't really force anything or talk about something I'm not doing or just be myself really.
Really,
100%.
really cool. Send me messages, MX24 TV, loving this already, you know. Okay, are you Ghanaian?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, because, you know, like, they'd be like,
I'm from Ghana,
Have you always been, like, heavily connected to your Ghanaian roots?
Yeah, obviously, because I've grown up in, like, a Ghanaian household. Like, my mum would speak Chi to me all the time.
So you can speak Chi?
A little bit. I wouldn't say too much. I understand it fully, but...
Oh, my guy.
So when you rap, but yeah, like obviously, like she would play like music, like
that's
Ghanaian
cool.
music that I would listen to as well. Like so, yeah.
That's cool. So I'm assuming this is not your first time in Ghana.
No, I've been here a few times when I was younger, but the last time I was here before this time was last December.
Last December.
Yeah.
Okay, and you're here this year. I mean, okay, last year.
Yeah, no. Okay,
like that's a couple of days ago.
A couple of days ago, yeah. Sorry, 2022 December, if I'm right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so I get it.
Yeah, makes sense.
How has that also influenced you as a person and as a music? Because two very different dynamics, right? The UK, Ghana, Europe, Africa. How has that also influenced you?
I guess that was like the time I came when I was a bit like, well, I guess an adult. So I got to like experience different things, like going out clubbing here, understanding the club life, what they listen to, and etc. So yeah, that was obviously the time I made the song with Jackie as well.
Yeah.
So I just understood like the environment a bit more. So yeah, it was a good time to come. And obviously it's the same thing again. I'm still learning. I'm collaborating with people and
What do you think about the African sound? Because bro, it's crazy right now. Again,
of course,
we look at
100%.
Sarkodie, we look at Jackie, Shatawale, Burna Boy, David. Like, it's a very, very exciting time to be an artist, right? Again, as this is going on, you have to be grounded, like we've spoken about. Why is it important for you, you know, to stay rooted? Because somebody watching from Ghana might say, he's in the UK. They've got everything, you know, from, again, based on what we see, right? But Jbee's coming home. Jbee is, you know, connecting with the music, with the people, you know, like you said, your mom speaks the language, right? You're working on artists like Jackie. We're going to get into all of that. But why is that important for me, even away from the music as a man?
Because 100%, like, that's, like, Ghana's where I'm from, innit? So, and I still have, like, even before the Jackie song, there was still people that were kind of, like, tapped in that knew I was Ghanaian and was listening to my music before that. So it's like, it's like, it's only right for me to come home and, like, obviously show the love and support, like, because obviously I'm from here, like, this is my nationality. So, yeah, it's only right.
Is our music played there? Like,
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
we listen to your music out there. Like, we listen to Ghanaian music out there. We listen to Nigerian music. Like, African music in general, like, is really popular in the UK.
So which Ghanaian artists do you hear, like,
what, as in the clubs?
Because we're trying our best to, like, super
I'd say we hear a lot of King Promise.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, because he recently collabed with a UK artist, so yeah, he's really tapped in over there. But
Okay.
yeah, a lot of that's what I can remember, like a lot of like King Promise.
Okay.
But yeah, I feel like you hear a lot of Nigerians as well, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, I'm asking that because, you know, we see our Nigerian brothers and sisters, and obviously they all represent Africa.
100%.
But we want Ghana, like, to
Of course,
get there,
of course.
to win
Yeah, this
Grammys.
is...
Bro, I can't wait to see you win a Grammy, man. That's going to be dope.
Amen.
I'm going to be on stage with you, man.
Amen.
Yeah, I spoke to him. I knew him back in the day, you know.
No, you're invited.
So obviously, you know, we're trying to break into those markets.
Yeah, break those boundaries, yeah. 100%.
What do you think we should do more as Ghanaian artists?
I don't know per se. I'd say maybe like explore a bit more, like as in like the sound. Or like maybe we should explore more with the sound and kind of just be more like innovative with it, like just more of a fresh like sound. I feel like we should try and work on. So, but yeah, I'm here as well. Like I'm here trying to connect as well. So yeah, so we can all get to that stage where it's like, Ghana's on top, like we've got this year.
It is. And you know, you are one man, but again, you present a lot. So on behalf of your fans, like we're grateful for that, because that's not something to be overlooked, right? Again, the fact that you're moving around and all these things. As an artist, now it's one thing promoting music where you're from or where you're based. And now Jbee is traveling. He's in Ghana, he's promoting the music. He's in the UK, granted, 6 hours away, but it's still a lot, right? Music promotion. How is that for you? How's that dynamic? Because again, two very big and different industries.
Different industries, 100%. But I feel like social media plays a big part as well. Like, because like TikTok, like anybody can see it. Like someone in Brazil can see your TikTok. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So TikTok's really, I feel like, a really good tool for artists like all over the world. Like, I think when I posted a TikTok promoting the song with me and Jackie, like it was trending more in Ghana than it was where I was from. Like,
real.
You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, so I feel like TikTok is a really good tool to use. But yeah, I guess like you just have to really know how to use it. Yeah,
it's working out. Okay, that makes sense. How did the song with Jackie come about? I'm assuming you've spoken about it before, but bro, that was a crazy collaboration.
It wasn't really like a crazy, like, I think her manager got in touch with my manager, like, just something there, and then they said they wanted to link up. Then, we just made a song in our apartment, and then, it just came out.
That simple?
Yeah, literally simple still, yeah.
Were you surprised? Like, did you have butterflies? Cause
no, like, it's just like, cause it's just artist to artist, like, it wasn't any, like, we vibed, made the song, and then, we released it, and it done what it did.
Yeah, the reason why, again, I'm asking that, because, again, that's the video on there, amazing video, because I want to know, I'm sure there's a lot of artists who want to work with you. Like, what do you look out for, you know, when it comes to working with creatives? Does it have to be organic? Is it more so business? Is it a vibe? Is it the sound?
It's mainly, for me, definitely organic, like, just being authentic, like, nothing. I don't like really forcing things, like. That's why maybe I don't have as much as collabs as you would see, but I'm obviously like opening up to like working with a lot of different people. But I like an organic vibe and something that's authentic.
Yeah. How was it working with her though?
No, it was cool. It's cool. She's a cool person. It took over still. She's cool. Yeah, she's definitely a cool person. Like, I feel like she's a bit introverted like me as well. Like very like, but like with social media, like she has to be open and stuff like that. But she's a cool person.
Did you guys know, like, when you record a song like this, right? For you, you like, no, this is it. This is gonna go places.
I feel like definitely with the hook, like the hook was very like when we heard it, like everyone in the session with us, like, oh, it sounds like Rihanna, like it sounds like Rihanna, like. So when it did drop, I don't think I expected it to do what it did, but it went crazy and so I really appreciate it.
Was it a true story though?
The lyrics are real. Yeah, the lyrics are real. Yeah, my lyrics are real. Of course, maybe her lyrics might be real as well, but yeah, my lyrics are real.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope.
But yeah.
Why is it also so as important for you, you know, to speak that truth in the music? Because I'm sure there's a lot of artists or people, fans, right, who've seen Jbee, maybe never heard his music because you're growing, right? The sound is growing. They'd want to associate you to something. For artists, it's maybe money. For some, it's the hood. For some, it's the streets. For some, it's emotions. For some, it's raw music, right? Why is it important for you, though? Because you could just talk about flashy stuff.
Yeah, I feel like it is important. I feel like that's what even, like, I guess, like, even sells as much because it's like such a broad thing for people to relate with. Like, as I said, they can reside with it. Like, emotions, like, not everybody has the best car. Not everybody has the best watch or best shoes. Like, but emotions-wise, everyone can feel that. So I feel like that's what's important for me, really.
Dope. You know, it's crazy how we tell everyone to be themselves, but it's become so difficult in today's world,
100%,
right?
100%.
At some point on this journey, like you said, 4 years, right? Has that been something you've been contemplating with? Because, for example, sound, right? Everybody wants to make the most popular sound.
Yeah.
Right? And as we're going, I mean, it's Afrobeats, this time it's dancehall music, it's this or it's that, right? Is that something you've thought about, like, let me just do this because everybody's doing it, because it's a big thing?
Yeah, there has been a point with that, but I feel like sometimes it is good to feel inspired by other sounds, or like, oh, I see this person doing it, like, let me try it out. And you might be better than them at doing it, do you know what I'm trying to say? But I say with me, I'm very, like, I don't mind doing different sounds, like, I can do Afro beats, I can do something that's melodic, like, so yeah, I don't mind, like, tapping into different sounds or different kind of things, so yeah.
That's cool.
I feel like it's good to...
What inspires you the most, man?
What inspires me the most? I say, like, just, like,
seeing my... girls.
No. It's just, I guess, like, seeing my success, like, and my family understanding that, yeah, like, he's actually succeeding in what he's doing, and yeah, just making the people that I love.
Means to you?
Yeah, like making my people proud, really. People around me proud, and yeah, being able to help the people around me. That's what pushes me the most, really.
Yeah. And I love the fact that, you know, the conversation has gone there, because again, as organic as we're trying to be, numbers were a very big part, you know, in what
of course,
people and fans determine as success. Oh, 100. How many views? 20 million, 50 million. And again, as a growing artist, you're always compared to, even not just growing as artists, as creative, right? We're always compared to the next thing.
Yeah,
is that something you look at? Again, that's why I asked what success means to you. Is it numbers? Is it?
That's what I'm saying. Like, obviously that is a good advantage of it. Like the numbers, the views, the money you get from it. Like it's all a perk. Like the work you put in, you're gonna obviously receive rewards from it. But like, I feel like the most important reward for me is like making, you know, the people I love proud, really.
Bro, you sure 21?
Yeah, I'm 21
nah,
still.
You're not 21.
Saying the old soul.
Because, bro, like, again, I mean, it's really cool to have these conversations, right? Because facts is so many people are shallow, right? In today's world, that's just the truth of what it is, right? And everyone is looking for something deeper, right? So, in as much as we're chasing all these things, we have to remember why we're chasing these things, right? That's how they keep us 100%. Where we want to go. And again, it's a very wonderful thing to hear. Your family's very involved and highly influenced in what you're doing. So, again, big ups to you for that. Are you on a record label, though?
Right now, no. I've been independent for quite a long time.
Wow.
Yeah, most I say most of the stuff we've done has been independent.
Wow.
Like, even like a song I dropped, which was Talking Stage, I like just distributed it through TuneCore, and it done crazy numbers.
What?
So yeah, literally just been organic. Just been organic, really. Just been me and the family.
Bro,
really.
like, I think people really overlook what independence means. How are you doing this?
I feel like it's not even a thing where like we're putting in like crazy work. Like I feel like it's just because it's so organic and natural. That's why people like gravitate towards it. So yeah, I feel like that's the main thing. Like if you're gonna do something on your own, just make sure it's real and organic, and people are gonna gravitate towards it anyway. Like, and if it sounds good, like people are gonna like it. So.
Awesome. But if that comes up, I'm sure it's not something you'd reject. If the
no, of course not. Like we've worked with labels before, and we've worked with distribution before, but like I feel like we've had more like freedom being independent. Like,
nice one, man. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for a break. Again, I love the fact that, you know, we've spoken about stuff not just based off music, but as soon as we get back, you have a project you released not too long ago. I'm sure this year releasing so much. I want to hear the plans for this year, the 100%. Music. We're going to get into all of that. We're going to get into all of that. Stay out Jbee here. Loving the convo, as I said. Stay tuned in. We'll be right back. Jbee, just for me, right?
Yeah,
true
just
story?
for me. Yeah, another true story still.
This guy, bruh, this guy have I been? I do nothing. Okay, before we get back to the music, we're talking about soccer a bit. You said you support Arsenal. I have my feelings, bro. You guys think you're gonna win the league?
Do you know what it is? I'm an Arsenal fan, but I haven't been watching Arsenal.
You're not winning it, bro.
Because
I'm not winning it.
Do you know it is? Ever since like they've been like not winning anything,
Right?
it's just been
I know.
I've lost touch with football, really.
Yeah, I know. I mean, like I said, my team ain't winning. But anyways, away from my team, the music, bro. Like again, the music has just shot off.
100.
How does it feel to be in this moment? Because that's something only you can actually describe, right? Hearing your music there, seeing yourself, people actually enjoying the music, and like you said, as organic as it is, people gravitating towards that music. How does it feel, man?
Like it feels good, like to understand like people like everywhere, I guess, all over the world are really tapped in and like, listening to the music and residing with it. Like it's a good feeling to just to
What was that moment that you knew that like JB's here to stay? Was it the song with Jackie? Was it a moment before? Was it a moment after?
Definitely, like I feel like definitely with like doing shows as well, like in the UK, like festivals, like so many people in the crowd, like just singing along to my lyrics, like thinking, like I made this in the studio, I made this in my room, and I'm standing there like above 5,000 people, like just singing along to my music. So yeah, it's a good feeling, and I feel like those are times I realize, like.
Is there pressure to live up to that though? Like when you're dropping a song now, is it like, man?
Yeah, I feel like every artist has that pressure, like like I need to get that hit song again, or I need to make a song like this again. But I feel like just have fun with it, really. That's
the universe is gonna work out.
Yeah, 100%.
It's gonna work out. It's gonna work out.
Yeah, 100%.
And so you dropped an EP not too long ago. When was it? Last year, June, July?
It was last year, June, 2023 June. Yeah.
Okay, 2023. It's crazy to say last year,
just,
right?
Yeah, it's
I know.
Like a couple of days. Yeah.
Last year, June. How many songs on there?
There's 8 songs on that.
Okay.
Yeah,
and what was the response like? And why do you think it was important to drop it then?
I've been wanting to drop a mixtape, for the fans, like have a body of work out. But there was a few like good like songs that done well on there, like Heart on Ice, DTV, and as you've seen, like Just For Me as well. So yeah, I felt like it was a good time to drop it as well. Like a lot of people listen to it, and there's songs that they listen to every day. So yeah, it was just nice to give back to the fans, really. Okay,
so like you said, 8 songs on there. Obvious question, what's your favorite song?
My favorite song on the tape.
Like, those are all your babies, man, so you have to be careful.
I think maybe it's between 2, probably 4x4 or DTB, one of the 2.
Why those songs?
I don't know, it's just I feel like, I just like those songs, like I put a lot of like emotion into it. And
okay. Yeah. Okay, so what's the title of the EP?
HBK.
That's Heartbreak Kid.
Yeah.
This guy. Which hearts you be breaking, man? Which hearts are you breaking, bro?
No, it's not even that. It's just, it just made sense, like, with the songs on there.
Okay, so you dropped that, like we said, like 6 months ago, roughly.
Yeah, roughly.
It's been doing still on all platforms. People can get it.
Yeah,
right. Okay, so a new year. People take New Year seriously. What's the plan for this year in terms of the music?
The plans is just really to get more singles out. Obviously, definitely collaborate. That's why I'm here as well, like to collaborate with different Ghanaian artists. And yeah, like in the next couple months, or even maybe this month, I might have a single out. So
yeah, but on the previous project, no collaborations. Was that a business move?
Yeah, no collabs. Yeah, just me. That's how I am. I'm very like I like doing things by myself, and like as I said, like I wasn't really as open before, like doing features and stuff.
Okay.
But I feel like nowadays, like I'm really open. Like if the vibe is authentic.
That's good. I mean, that's what the fans want.
Yeah.
Okay, so like you said, you working with a couple Ghanaian artists?
Yeah, definitely. Are
you gonna tell me something?
No. No,
we know artists, right?
No, we've definitely got a single coming out.
Okay.
Very soon with a Ghanaian artist.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Yeah, you guys should be watching out for that one as well.
Guys, I mean, I'm gonna try as much as I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna get who. But when is that coming out though?
I don't think we have a set date, but definitely very soon. Like definitely soon.
Okay. So singles coming out this year. We're gonna get a full body of work though, like maybe another project.
That is the plan, to even if it isn't an album or a mixtape, definitely put like maybe a 4-track EP together for the fans again.
Yeah. Are you more like more hesitant when it comes to dropping an album? Because like albums are like.
Yeah, I feel like albums are like, it has to make sense, like all the way from the start till finish. So I feel like an album is something I'd have to like sit down and work on. Like with a tape, is like you can just put any kind of song on there, like, and it doesn't have to make sense like the next song. So I feel like an album is something I have to like sit down and work on, and give the fans something.
I'm assuming you're open to work with Nigerian artists.
Yeah, 100%. Like everywhere really. I'm open to like.
Bro, you and Wizkid on a song crazy.
No, it would still.
That'd be dope, right?
Can you land that up? Can you land that up for me?
I'll try. I'll send him a DM. I'm gonna try, bro.
But yeah, that'd be sick.
Right?
That'd be sick.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's definitely like different artists I would like want to work with like all over, especially Africa as well.
Yeah. What about you and like UK artists who like Dave, Skepta?
UK artists, yeah, definitely like definitely. There's a lot of like artists that are killing it that I would want to work with as well. I guess it's all timing, really.
Yeah. It's all timing. It's all timing. But bro, like, you're doing so much. We're super proud of you. And like you said, so this year, basically, projects, albums, music. Are you still in school though?
Or no, I'm not in school anymore. I'm not in school anymore.
Because I was going to ask you how you're balancing.
Yeah, so music's just been the main focus for I guess like a year and a couple months. Yeah, it's been the main focus. So yeah, I've just been working on music, being in the studio. And etc. So yeah, it's been a main focus.
Something I wanted us to talk about quickly. Again, like we see the UK industry, right? We see the Ghanaian industry, and as an artist, as creators, we're always compared to the next thing or the next big thing. Do you see us, honestly speaking, breaking through there? Because that's a lot of questions I got coming in today before you came in, right? Do you see it happening as much as we'd want it to?
I do see it happening because of like I see like the African influence it has, like the influence Africa has on the United Kingdom, like especially London as well, because that's where I'm from. Like that's where I grew up. So like we do listen to a lot of African music, like especially a lot of Nigerian artists. So this is what I was saying about Ghana, like maybe like being a bit more what's the word? As I said, like maybe changing the sound a bit. Like as I said, like I feel like someone I could put at the top of that is like King Promise. Like he's worked with UK artists and managed to be on a similar vibe to them. So then it resonates with UK people as well. So yeah, I feel like definitely Ghana can definitely break through. So like look at me and like Jackie's song. Like I did do well in the UK as well.
So it boils down to collaboration.
Yeah, just more, just crossing over as well. Yeah, definitely crossing over, working with UK artists. It doesn't have to be UK. It can be America.
Is it difficult getting UK artists on the song though?
I don't know. I can't speak for every artist. I can't speak for every artist. So yeah, if like Ghanaians are more open, like to just even like traveling to the United Kingdom and
crazy. I had an artist. He's called YKB. Very dope guy, and he said the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Said like we need to attack it more.
Yeah, 100%.
And I think that's really, really true. Like 100%. We need to,
I feel like we shouldn't be as laid back. Like just actually, just like try.
So we're not out there as much.
I wouldn't say we're not out there as much, like with the Ghanaian community in the UK, like we listen to Ghanaian music. But I feel like outside of that, there's not a lot of people that listen to Ghanaian music, I would say.
Okay. But we need to attack it more.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Okay, favorite food?
Favorite food? You say
Ghanaian
food?
Yeah, of course.
I would say my favorite is either fufu or jollof rice.
Okay, Ghana jollof, Nigeria jollof. Obvious question.
Ghanaian,
Ghana jollof. Favorite soup though?
Soup has to be in Katenkwan. Yeah.
How does everybody? How do you people eat in Katenkwan?
I don't know. It's just a nice.
Parma soup is the best, bro.
Nah.
It is. It's thick.
I hear it.
Just like our females, heavy, strong, powerful. You know.
I feel you, but in Katenkwan.
I saw some questions before you came through. Any crushes? Any female crushes in Ghana?
No.
People said you're dating Jackie.
No.
How did you feel when you saw that? Did you guys just laugh it off?
No, it is a
honestly, you broke a lot of guys' hearts.
I did see a lot of comments like, oh, this guy, like this Jbee guy, who is he?
Right?
It's just like, it's so funny to look at anyway, so I didn't really take anything serious, but I didn't take anything serious. No.
Okay. Okay, how's your girl though? She's good?
Yeah, she's good. She's
good. Hey, mommy. I'm just trying to worry you today.
She's good.
Favorite Ghanaian artist?
Favorite Ghanaian artist? Ooh, that's actually a hard one, you know.
Top 3? Top 4?
Alright, cool. Top 3, I would say Jackie.
Okay.
King Promise and growing up I did listen to a lot of Sarkodie.
Yeah.
So
I mean Sarkodie, right?
Sark, yeah.
Oh, you and him would be dope. But we have to try and set these things up.
Yeah, 100%. You're gonna have to line it up.
I'm gonna send a lot of DMs today.
Yeah, sure.
Bro, what should I ask you, man? I'm just so excited you're here. When are you leaving though? Are you here for a bit more?
I should be leaving the middle of this month. I should be leaving, but definitely want to come back and earlier on in the year and come and work again. Okay. That's cool. I think we've spoken about everything. But you're gonna come back soon. Yeah, that's yeah. I would want to come back soon, obviously.
Okay, so we're going to see you here again.
Yeah, if there's like obviously if I'm working with artists and there's stuff that needs to be released.
Okay. Okay. Favorite places to be when you're in Ghana?
Favorite places to be. I've been at home a lot this time, but yeah, I guess like we do go out, we do go clubbing, Polo Beach.
How was December for you though? Were you like, bro? I mean,
what the last time I came?
Last year December, no. Like,
2022
yeah,
December.
2020.
Yeah. Where did I did go out a lot. Like as I said, like Polo Beach, like with my friends and etc. Yeah, it's a good vibe. Ghana is a good vibe. Like you lot don't sleep.
And mum is cool. You going out and stuff?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
She'll even be outside with me in the club. Like, so
okay.
she'll be outside with me in the club.
I see her.
But yeah, Ghana's a vibe. Like,
yeah, it is.
You lot don't sleep, so
it is. Nah, we don't, bro. we always like we ain't got it, but we're never in, right?
Yeah,
that's what we say.
100%.
Oh, that's really cool. But one thing I also really want to touch on, and I've been throwing this out the bit, this whole interview is, like, shout out to your mom, man.
Yeah, 100%.
Obviously, we see artists like Burna Boy, we've seen artists like Usher and that influence, and just give a shout out, bro.
Yeah, no, 100%. I would.
Big,
yeah,
right?
that's why I always like say like she's one person that's always like kept me grounded. If like I'm going a different route, like she would definitely like speak some sense into me because obviously she's my manager and my mum at the same time. So yeah, it's good having her around and involved. But yeah, 100%. Shout out her.
She's blushing right now.
Shout out her. But yeah, man, definitely.
How would you describe her in one word? Is she strict?
She's. I don't know. I don't know how to. I wouldn't say she's strict, but yeah, she just like she's very cool. Like
That's cool.
She understands like my I guess my generation as well a bit. Because obviously like we're a bit close. So like
it's
she
needed,
just understands.
bro.
Yeah, she just understands.
It's very heavily needed. And again, I want us to touch on that because I think that's something people don't talk about enough. You know, having the right people around us. You know,
100%.
they always see the star, right?
Yeah.
But there's so much that makes that machine work, right? So. Big salute. And her name is Tina.
Yeah,
oh,
Tina.
My grandmother's name. She passed not too long ago, so I'm a bit in a heartbroken process. So big shout out to mom again. And to everyone who influences you. Is there anything you want to add before you go, man? Anything you want to say to your fans, what we should expect?
Yeah, definitely like just new music with Ghanaians. And just watch out for what's next, really.
Okay, what's next? Oh, any videos dropping soon, or is that going to be the next?
Yeah,
single?
that's what we wanna get a video shot for it. So yeah.
Okay, but no videos off the last EP.
The last EP, no.
Okay, but that's still out there.
That's still out there for people to listen to.
Okay.
HBK, of course, yeah.
Okay.
That's still out there for people
HBK.
to
Okay, so we know if we're gonna get a name for the new EP or the new song or the feature.
Well,
I'm trying, bro.
I've started to work on new songs, but now we haven't really like structured. Okay, this is the name of the EP or anything. But yeah, the songs are there.
Very nice, bro.
Still working.
It's been big talking to you, man. I hope I get to talk to you some more.
100%.
I hope we get to see you in Ghana more. I hope we get more features. Please keep staying grounded. Stay prayerful. You know, it's a crazy industry we're in. And ignore the hate. And just do your thing, bro.
Thank you, man.
Just do your thing. I've spoken to Jbee. And again, find the music, buy the music. That's the #1 way to support the artists. You know, we have these conversations to get to the people, to know the people behind, you know, the glitz and the glamour and the fame and, you know, all these things we're seeing, the clothes and the cars. But just for a guy like this, there's so many layers, right? That's why at the beginning I started the conversation, like getting to know you and you know, the things that make you the man that you are. And as you're going through this process, it's really going to be interesting to see, you know, the conversations we have 3 years from now, 10 years from when you've won that Grammy. You know, how you've grown. Charlie, amen to that.
You mentioned
it,
so
amen. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see you during the week, of course. 3 to 4 p.m. every single weekday. Again, find his music, buy the music, support him. That's the #1 way, again, to support the artists. That's how we get the videos. That's how we get the shows. That's how you see us doing our thing. Yeah. And again, thank you so much for coming through. Shout out to the team. Shout out to Salty. Salty, how you doing, man? Guys, I'm going to see you. Have a very, very good afternoon. But we're going to enjoy some music from you. Yeah, enjoy. Salute.
Thank you.
Countless times I let you slide. As I said, I was way too dumb, put faith in a bit. I thought you would love me for life. Didn't know you were playing my heart. I took a chance when I rolled that dice. I thought you would take good care. You can't man deal like a stainless knife. Right now, I got my heart on ice. Didn't know I could hit someone I called a potential wife.